Hello, thank you for joining us. My name's Andrew Cucinato. I'm one of the customer success coaches here at Bright MLS. And today we're going to be taking a look at the market tab. Now, why do we want to take a look at the market tab? Well, the market tab, I like to say, contains most things statistics in Bright MLS. Now, yes, there are a few different locations you can go to find general statistics like the research tab, a lot of solid reports coming to you from that tab. And you're also going to have your results, or I'm sorry, your stats tab at the bottom of your search results. But today, again, we're going to be taking a look at market. Now, again, why do you want to take a look at market? Because it's going to tell you what's going on in the market. The first one, home demand index. Okay, industry first report brought to you from Bright MLS. Our market statistics, a lot of good general information about what's been happening in your market. Industry watch, okay, quarterly report with a couple key metrics, market performance, and residential activity. So let's briefly take a look at some of those reports and how they operate. First is going to be the home demand index. Rather simple report. All you have to do is come down here and point and click on the map to whatever area it is you want to learn more about. It'll allow you to drill down to a zip code level to see a hot cold heat map about where buyers are currently looking. That's home demand index. Next is going to be market statistics report. Okay, a lot of solid high level overview information such as total number of units listed, total volume, median sale price, end of month inventory, month supply inventory, total number of pended units, units sold. A lot of solid information in here. It's just going to help give you an idea about what's been going on in the market. Next, industry watch, an oldie but a goodie, but one of my personal favorites. Okay, as you see here, you have some general metrics for a county level overview. But as we come down here, you're going to see our nice median sales price chart, which, of course, has seen some interesting activity recently. Coming down a little bit further, you get down to a zip code by zip code level showing those four key metrics: median sale price, percent of original price received, average property marketing period, or CDOM, and closed sales. Next is the market performance report. Now, the way we're able to come up with this report is we're able to see information in different systems. So from that, we have some pretty interesting metrics that you can take a look at, like client activity. So average appointments before contract. Very interesting metric there. Encourage you to check out the market performance report. For today, the last one we're going to take a look at is residential activity report. Now, this report allows you to compare two different kind of groups of listings to see how one might be performing against the other, and again, help you tell that story of market activity. Continuing down, we have it broken down by pricing and total number of transactions within that pricing bracket. Coming down a little bit further, you're going to see the summary information. So again, all of these reports can be used to help tell the story of what's been going on in the market. So again, guys, take a look at the market tab at the top. Take a look at some of these reports here in the first columns. If you want to get adventurous, take a look at Create Custom Reports. It's one of my favorites here. Last but not least, if you ever have any questions or would like to meet with one of us customer success coaches, go to Education at the top, connect with a coach. And don't forget, this is where you can find who your customer success coach is under the Customer Success Coaches tab. But if you'd like to meet with a coach to discuss anything about Bright, click this link here, go to Connect with a Coach. Thanks for joining us today, guys. Have a great day. Take care.